Standard 4 Mathematics Unit 5 Time. Dear students, we are going to learn the following topics in time. Understand days and weeks, marking the dates, compute the number of week in a year, correlate the number of days in a year with the number of days in each month, leap year, read clock time to the nearest hours and minutes, and time. Children, before we start this lesson, we must know what is time. Time is the passing of seconds, minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, years, and more. We use time to describe when something happened, when it is happening, or when it will happen. Days and weeks. Children, do you know how many days in a week? Yes, 7 days. What they are? Listen here.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Students, hope you all remembered the days of weeks. Which one is the first day of the week? That is Sunday. How many days do you come to school in a week? And what are they? Yes, 5 days. They are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. How many days are holiday in a week? And what are they? Yes, 2 days. They are Saturday and Sunday. Which is the third day of the week? That is Tuesday. Marking the dates. Student, which month is this? Yes, this is August 2020. What is today date? Today date is 11th August, Tuesday. What will be day after tomorrow? Day after tomorrow means next day of tomorrow. Here 12 is the next day. So 13 is the day after tomorrow. What will be the date of next Friday? Yes, 14 is the next Friday. How many days are there in this month? 31 days. What will be the day? 4 days after 11th August is 15th August, Saturday. Compute the number of weeks in a year. The calendar shows days of a week and month of a year. We can find the date of a particular day and a particular month from it. Look at the calendar and fill the table. Here I have listed few festival names. Now we have to find out the month, date and day. First one is Pongal. Children, do you know which month we are celebrating this festival? Yes, January 14th of every year. Next one is Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrating to honor our teachers and it's celebrating on 5th September of every year. Next one is Children's Day. It comes November 14th of every year. Which festival comes sooner from today? Yes, that is Independence Day. Which festival comes later? Christmas, 25th December. Christmas is the last festival of every year. How many months Are there in between first and last festival of the year? Yes, the 10-month difference is first festival and last festival. Find weeks and days in a year. Fill the boxes using the calendar 2020. In the month of January is having 31 days, that is 4 weeks and 3 days. In the month of February is having 29 days, that is 4 weeks and 1 day. In the month of March is having 31 days, that is 4 weeks and 3 days. In the month of April is having 30 days, that is 4 weeks and 2 days. Like this, we have to fill weeks and days for remaining months also. Totally, we have 366 days in the year 2020. That is 48 weeks and 30 days. As you know, 1 week is equal to 7 days. So, we have to convert the 30 days into weeks. 30 divided by 7 is equal to 4. Now we get 4 weeks. So the answer is 48 weeks plus 4 weeks is equal to 52 weeks. Here is the calculation to find out number of weeks from the number of days in a year. So 1 year is equal to 52 weeks. Leap year. Leap year is a year with 366 days. The month of February has 29 days in a leap year. Leap year occurs once in 4 years. There are 366 days in a leap year. There are 52 weeks and 2 days in a leap year. 1 year has 52 weeks. 1 year has 365 days. 1 leap year has 366 days. So 1 decade is equal to 10 years. Correlate the number of days in a year with the number of days in each month. All the months they don't have 30 days, either 30 or 31 days. Here we have to find out the month having 31 days and month having 30 days by help of using this calendar. The month of January, March, May, July, August, October and December is having 31 days. The month of April, June, September and November is having 30 days. This is a leap year, so the month of February is having 29 days. Time. How do you read the time? We found out the time by seeing clock or wristwatch. Do you know how people in the olden days found time? Those days people found time with the movement of sun. Now we have too many electronic devices to show the time. Why do you need to know the time? We need to know the time to do our day-to-day activity in correct time. The clock has numbers from 1 to 12 on its face. It has 3 hands. The shorter hand is hour hand. It shows hours. The longer hand is minutes hand. It shows minutes. The red color hand is seconds hand. It shows seconds. There are 5 equal divisions between any two numbers. The total number of equal divisions in the clock is 60. Each division represents a second. One full circle of the clock is 60 minutes, that is 1 hour. Student, 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute. 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. 24 hours is equal to 1 day. This is the way we calculate the time. Reading the time. Student, look at this clock. Here, the hour hand is in 2. and the minute hand is in 12. So now tell me, what's the time now? Yes, it is 2 o'clock. Student, look at this clock. There are three different times is here. First one is quarter past 12. Quarter past 12 is a short way of saying it is a quarter of an hour after 12. That is 12:15. Next one is half past 12. Half past 12 is a short way of saying it is a half an hour after 12. That is 12:30. Another one is quarter to 1. It means that is a quarter of an hour left until 12. That is 12:45. Reading the minutes. Look at this clock. Here, the short hand indicate to the hour of 8 and the long hand indicate to the past the hour of 10 minutes. So the time is 8 hour 10 minutes. Time is slow when you wait. Time is fast when you are late. Time is deadly when you are sad. Time is short when you are happy. Time is endless when you are in pain. Time is long when you feel bored. Every time is determined by your feelings and your psychological conditions and not by clocks. So have a nice time always. Student, I hope that you are very clear about the topic time. Time is very important in our life. So never waste each and every minute and utilize carefully. Thank you, children.